everybody, welcome. So today I'm at Apple Mac and I want to tell you some really cool things. So Apple Mac, which is located in Motomachi in Kobe, has everything that you ever need for your computer and phone needs. They will fix your iMac, they will fix your Android, they will fix your iPhone, and they will fix your Windows computer. Everything and anything for a cheap price. As well, they fix drones. If you have a drone, you know how hard it is to get it somewhere to fix, right? It's so hard. This is the place, right here at Apple Mac in Motomachi. Another plus, they sell phones and computers secondhand, so you can get what you need here for a lot cheaper. The staff is very pleasant. You can learn a lot of things yourself. They will tell you about anything that you want to know. They will install programs that you need, that you are dying for and looking for. So come on down here to Apple Mac in Motomachi, Kobe. I got my computer fixed here and I cannot tell you, I'm so excited to go home and get on the computer and enjoy my new programs. My husband got his computer fixed, got his drone fixed. All of our family, we come here to Apple Mac. So come on down and see for yourself. As well, they speak English and many other languages. So don't worry if you cannot speak Japanese. Come on down.